What's up guys, Confucio. So I've been asked several times to make a basic chat command tutorial, so that's what I'm going to do today. So in today's tutorial we're going to use the player side hook, and that's a server side hook, so we need to run this code server side. There's several ways to do that, but the most easiest way will probably just to place it in the server folder, in your run folder, or to make it as a DarkRP module. So I'm going to make it as a DarkRP model, so to do that you'll have to go to GarageMod, Add-ons, DarkRP Modification, Lua, and go into DarkRP_models. In here I'm just going to create a new folder called TCP_commands. Open that up and make a new Lua file called sv underscore whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call mine commands.lua. I'm going to use Sublime Text to edit this file. You can use any other editor. So first off we're going to make a local function, and you can call it whatever you want to. I'm just going to use it open donation page or something like that. I'm going to end it down here, and we're going to add the hook. So that's hook.add, and we're going to use the player say hook. So player say, and then an unq name. I'm just going to use the function name for up here, comma, and then the function name again. So when we use the player say hook we get a few returns. First off we get the apply. So that's the player that runs the command. Then we get the text, so what did the player type, and we get their team. So now there is two ways we can do it. First off, actually just going to show both the ways. The first one going to be the easiest, but the next one going to have some better things about it. So the first one is we can just do if text is I'm just going to use exclamation mark command, then end, and we can make here open page in here. So this just checks if the text is exclamation mark command. Other way to do this is to do it like this: if string sub text comma 1, and then the length of the string. I know command is 7 letters long, plus the exclamation mark, so that's 8, and that is exclamation mark command, then end. So let's just do here, open here. So this one is better in some way, because if the user likes to add a space at the end, this one will not work. So yeah, this one is easier, so if you're just adding a simple command you can just use that, but I'm going to use the top one. So now to open the web page we're going to use GUI .open URL. The problem with that is server side, or not server side, sorry, it's client side. So we're going to use the apply send Lua to send it to the client. So we're going to use apply send Lua over parentheses, and then we need to open up here, and then we're going to write in GUI .open URL, and then we just need to open up quotes and type in the URL. So I'm just going to make it open Google. So that's http://www.google.com. So save that and restart your server. So I'm now back on my server, and you can see here if I type in exclamation mark command, it will open up Google in the Steam overlay. So yeah, I think that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching. Please go and rate and subscribe.